Chapter 6, Live Selling 101, Hosting Effective TikTok Live Sessions. TikTok videos are great for visibility, but if you want real-time sales, TikTok Live is one of the most powerful tools available. Going live lets you connect with viewers directly, show your product in action, answer questions on the spot, and build trust, all while driving instant sales through your TikTok shop. Why TikTok Live works. Live selling creates a sense of urgency, limited stock, today only deals. Trust, viewers can see the product and ask questions. Engagement, you interact with your audience in real time. Viewers who join your live are more engaged than casual scrollers, making them more likely to buy, especially when you offer limited time incentives. Requirements to go live. To use TikTok Live for selling, you need a TikTok account with at least 1,000 followers. To be 18 or older. TikTok Shop integration and approval. Products linked to your account before going live. Once you're eligible, a Go Live button will appear on your TikTok home screen. How to prepare for a successful live. Plan your live session like a mini event. Here's a basic checklist. Choose 1-3 products to focus on, don't overwhelm viewers. Prepare a simple script or outline. Start with a warm welcome and product intro. Show product features and benefits. Share special deals or bundles. Answer FAQs live. Set up your space. Use a clean, well-lit background. Keep products nearby. Test your lighting and sound. Add product links in advance so people can buy while watching. Structure of a high-converting live. Start strong, hook viewers in the first 30 seconds with energy and a reason to stay. Example, watch this demo, I'm going to show you how this gadget changed my routine. Demo the product, show how it works, what it does, and why it's valuable. Keep it real and honest. Engage constantly, greet people by name, reply to comments, and ask questions to keep viewers involved. Create urgency, use phrases like only a few left, or this discount ends after this live. Real-time scarcity drives conversions. Repeat key info, since viewers join at different times, reintroduce the product and CTA every few minutes. Wrap up with a clear call to action, thank viewers and remind them where and how to buy. How long should you go live? Aim for at least 30-60 minutes. This gives TikTok time to distribute your live and helps build momentum. Don't worry if the first few minutes are quiet, viewers often trickle in gradually. Bonus tips. Use pinned comments to highlight deals. Collaborate with other creators to co-host lives. Go live consistently, even 2-3 times per week, to build routine and visibility. Key takeaway. TikTok Live is one of the best ways to build trust and drive fast sales. You don't need to be perfect, just be prepared, be yourself, and show your product clearly. The more you go live, the more confident and successful you will become.